Hello guys, as you can see, I'm in the members area of 4Brand. So it's a brand new software launched by Neil Napier, and this software is going to help you to boost your business and you can make more sales and generate more revenue with the help of this software. So now you are thinking how this software helps you in your business. So guys, with the help of this software, you can create professional logos, mockups and animated logo teaser videos in minutes with new system. And you can also create and sell over 300 million stunning designs to website owners, e-commerce store owners, local business owners and many more. So these and in this software you can get lots of features that helps you to grow your business. So if you are interested in this software or want to know more about this software, then stick with me and watch this full review video, because today I'm also giving my 4 premium bonuses for free of cost guys to you. So my name is Suraj Pratap and welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to show you my bonuses. Then we come back to this to the members area of this software and know how this software works and how you can use this software for your own business to scale your business, guys. So when you click the link which is in the description, you bring through here on my bonus page. As you can see, my insane bonus bundle of 4Brand. So guys, when you scroll down here, you can see that there is a clock, guys, and I want to tell you one thing that I already tell you, that today I'm giving my 4 premium bonuses for free of cost. So if you are going to buy this software with my link, then buy as fast as you can, because when this clock hits 0, then my 2 premium bonuses will disappear and you will get the remaining 2s. Okay guys, so when you scroll more, you can see that you can see the image of this software and the introduction of this software. So you can read this introduction to your own. And when you scroll down more, guys, here you can see the prices and upsells, but we talk later about the prices, guys, because I want to tell you some key benefits of this software, and these key benefits going to help you to understand this software in the deep. So I'm going to explain you these all key benefits one by one, guys. So let's start. The first key benefit is, guys, which is create stunning business branding designs. So already I tell you that with this software you can create stunning business branding designs, guys. And the second one is, guys, which is easy to use, no design or technical skills required. So guys, to run this software you do not need any kind of technical skills. If you are totally beginner, you can also use this software and scale your business, guys. And the third one is, guys, generate over 300 million stunning design with limitless customization. So guys, you can also generate over 300 million stunning designs with the help of this software, and you can also customize these all stunning designs, guys. And the another one is, guys, which is connect with your customers emotionally to keep them coming back. And you can also make eye-catchy designs with the help of this software, which helps you to get your customers back and back, guys. And the another one is, guys, which is stand out from your competition and help your clients do the same. And the last one is, guys, which is 14 days money back guarantee. So guys, if you think that this software is not working for you and it is not also working in your business, then you can also refund this software within 14 days and get your money back, guys. So guys, I think I explained you these all key benefits briefly. So now when you scroll down more, here you can see a demo video, guys. If you have any doubt about this software, then you can also watch this demo video. And when you scroll down more, guys, Here now it's time to know about my bonuses. So my first bonus is guys, which is Bing Ads Mastery Training, and its value is guys, which is $247. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can advertise your website and products online on Bing search platform guys. So guys, now it's time to know about my second bonus, and my second bonus is free traffic frenzy, and its value is guys $397. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can drive free huge traffic to your websites and for your products guys, which helps you to make more sales and automatically you generate more revenue guys. And the another bonus is guys, which is Instagram marketing, and its value is guys $697. And with this bonus you are going to learn how you can also promote your products on Instagram. And the fourth bonus is guys, which is $0 to $100 in 24 hours, and its value is guys, which is $747. So with this bonus you are going to learn how you can earn your first $100 in just 24 hours guys. And the last bonus is guys, which is a special bonus, and this bonus was provided you by the vendors, and its value is guys $997. And I'm also going to show you the vendors bonuses guys. So here we are guys, vendors providing you the first bonus is making 6-figure with 4Brand, and the second bonus is guys animation X, and the third bonus is guys rank your videos. Okay guys, these all three bonuses was provided you by the vendors. And also don't forget about my 4 premium bonuses, because these all 4 premium bonuses are also going to help you a lot in your online business guys. And also remember, don't forget this clock guys, because if this clock hits 0 then my first 2 premium bonuses will disappear and you will get the remaining 2 guys. So now it's time to know about the prices and upsells of this software guys. So the front end price of this software is guys, which is $37 for personal, and for commercial it is $39. And OTO 1, which is annual price is $67, and one time price is $97. And OTO 2, its price for per month is guys $37, and for annual $197. And OTO 3, for one time you have to pay $59, and OTO 4, for one time you have to pay $37. Okay guys, so now it's time to know about the software, and I told you everything about my bonuses and about this software guys. So and don't forget about my bonuses guys, because these premium bonuses are so valuable, and today you are getting these 4 bonuses for free of cost. So now it's time to know about the software guys, and here we are, the dashboard of this 4Brand, and you can see we are in the dashboard. Here you are getting total logos, total mockups, total teaser video. Here this is your dashboard guys, and here you can see how many logos you make and how many mockups and how many teaser you made. And the second option guys, logos. Here you can create your own logos guys, and there are lots of templates you can use. And the third one is guys, mockups. Here you can also create your own mockups guys, and these are the templates you can use for your own. And the other one is guys, logo video. In this section you can create your own logo video guys, and here are also given lots of already ready-made templates guys, and you can use for your own. And the another option is guys, which is brand graphics. Here you can see guys, you can also use all these for your own business. And the another one is guys, agency. here are the prices of the agency prices, guys. For if you are interested in, then you can also buy this option, guys. And another one is, guys, agency toolkit. And here are also tools you have to buy, then you can also buy these tools, guys. And the last option, no, sorry guys, and another option is integration. You can also buy this, guys. You have to buy, if you want to use these all options, guys, then you have to pay for this. And the last one is, guys, which is support and training video. So if you are getting any trouble to run this software, then you can also connect with support team, or you can also watch the training video, guys. This helps you a lot to run this software. So guys, I think I told you everything about this software, that how you can run this software and how this software helps you to scale your business, and how you can also make more money with the help of this software, guys. So, and you can also, and I also show my all bonuses, all premium bonuses, guys. So if you are interested in this software or want to buy this software, then you have to click the link which is in the description. And when you bring here on my bonus page, you can see there are lots of yellow button which is click here to secure your bonuses. When you click one of these yellow buttons, guys, you bring through here on the sales page of this software, you can see, guys. And when you scroll down here, you can see start your branding and marketing agency now. When you click this button, you have to pay the price of this software, and the software is yours, guys. So guys, this is the process how you can buy this software. So if you are interested in this software, or want to more about, or want to buy this software, then click the link which is in the description. So if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, guys. And have a nice day. Thank you.